I'm Wesley Story. I work at Milton, Ruben Toyota, and I'm here to talk about AC on your car. First thing we're going to do is check to make sure it is cooling properly and it's at the right temperature inside the vehicle. I'm using my thermometer to make sure the air coming out the vent is at least reaching below 60 degrees. If the temperature in the car is not correct, we'll hook up the recycling center and I can check the manifold gauges to make sure it has enough Freon in the vehicle and make sure the compressor is working correctly and that it has no blockages in the system. If the manifold gauges are not correct, it could be a number of things. It could be low on Freon, it could be the electronic fans not working correctly, or it could also be a compressor. We would also check the cabin filter to make sure you have good airflow through the vehicle. And you check it from behind the glove box. Thanks for watching this video on air conditioning. Come to Milton Ruben and let us service your AC.